Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am here with an unboxing and I have picked up a rechargeable water flosser from Five Below for $12. But before I get into this unboxing, if you're new here, I just ask that you hit that subscribe button below, hit that bell to be notified. I only drop one video. That's once a week, every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern time. These rechargeable water flossers have become really popular recently, and this is the Uproot IPX7 rechargeable water flosser from Parker Beauty Company. So let's take a look around this box real quick. So it's IPX7, precise teeth cleaning, improve oral health, 1400 per minute high pulse flow, and it removes plaque and food. So it comes with a 1000 milliamp battery, 4 cleaning nozzles, high frequency pulse water flow, and it has 3 spray modes, and it comes with a 220 milliliter capacity water tank. And as you can see, I got it in the white. And on the side, it's just repeating some information that was on the front. And on the back, the Parker Beauty Company Uproot IPX7 rechargeable water flosser is an innovative oral care device to help you keep good oral hygiene and health. The flosser includes 4 replaceable nozzles, 4 precise teeth cleaning, which helps remove plaque, food, cleans the tongue, and prevent from any periodontal or orthodontic disease and conditions. And as you can see down here, these are the 4 nozzles that are included: standard, periodontal, orthodontic, and tongue. And it's telling you here, if you don't know what you need to do to keep a good oral hygiene, you brush, you floss, and you gargle. And down here it also says it includes the USB cable, which is good for $12.99. On this side, you just have the name, company name, and on the top, nothing, and on the bottom, some general information. The inside, and I use the floss string and the floss sticks, but I feel like the water flosser would probably do a little bit better job. Inside of the box, you get the USB charging cable. Here are the nozzles. This is going to be the orthodontic. This one is going to be to clean your tongue. This one is the standard. And this one is the periodontal. And these are a hard plastic. You also get the user guide, 1 sheet of paper, front and back, black and white. Let's take a look at the flosser itself. You have the power on button, weak, strong, or pulse, and then this would be where you would put the water or mouthwash. You could put mouthwash and dilute it with the water, and then your different nozzles would just twist right down in the top. Going to the back, you have some Parker Beauty Company branding. You have the USB charging port, and it's nice that they provided a little cover on the back. I do like the silver accent with the white with the clear bottom. To me, it does not look cheap. I mean, course is only $12.99, but it doesn't look cheap to me. I like that they provided, you have a groove on the back here for hand placement, so when you are holding it and using it, your hand has a place to lay. I'm going to turn this on and see if it has some power so you can see. That's the weak. That's strong. And that's the pulse. I will say the strong and the pulse does have some pretty good vibration to it. I do like the fact that they even give you an option for 3 spray modes. So let me put one of these on here so we can see how it looks with one of the nozzles. So you just put it down like that. There it is. And to take it off, you just pull it up. This is really great for $12.99. I believe that this is comparable to any of the other more expensive ones that are out there. I will say that I like the fact they provide 3 spray modes, and they provide 4 different nozzles to target whatever part of the mouth that you want to focus on. I like the fact that you have a pretty decent water tank capacity. It feels great in the hands. It doesn't feel like it's like cheap material. I mean, this is great. So I would say if you thought about picking one of these water flossers up, I say do it. This has been my unboxing of the Uproot IPX7 rechargeable flosser from Parker Beauty Company. Found this at Five Below for only $12.99. If you have yet to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell to be notified. Please make sure you like, comment, share this video, each and every one you know. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.